Ayo mukonyi w'umugavana wa county ya Kisii Dr. Robert Monda kwimukiye gatambukiro nabo igokumirana n'abarayi kurwase kyama gya UDA nigo egati y'abanyaribari babere bagwesokya bene nabo igokomochya egetambukire kyokolenda sensemende nigo litkolya rero egati y'abanyaribari bamwa okoboko asegetambukire kyo abeire gakwimukya nabo igokogania amaskani gutuka gati y'abarayi nigo baganire serikali county ya Kisii komwachinga kichinyororo asogokora emirimo yaye muri kicho Mildred Momanyi nabakagotalya chinsemecho nabaiko gutwariganiria oroboti rukubwatia
ukungusana na nigo kogendrete kwene kigwa ime county ya Kisii anene mono kurwa ase gati y'abanyaribari abo bono barorekane kubagana ase ngana yo mukonyi w'umugavana Dr. Robert Monda chingaki aumerana na gati y'abarayi kurwa ase kyama kya UDA amone gati y'abarayi bakororekana gutabwatirana n'umugavana we county ya Kisii kurwa ase kyama gya Azimio ase ngaya elitukolya Jumamosi. Ensemo y'abanyaribari nigo bamerana nimeyo mubogani oyomo imeye county ya Kisii asokomocha igati y'abanyaribari bali bakomocha omukonyi w'umugavana ase baganire amaskani kwene kigwa igati y'abarayi bonsi.
As Nyaribarians, we are here condemning what the other guys did, and we are supporting our deputy governor because we understand the challenges he's undergoing. As Nyaribarians, these guys never consulted us, but we are here as leaders from Nyaribari. We are here as businessmen from Nyaribari. So we fully support our deputy governor, who is Dr. Robert Monda, for the decision he made. Dr. Robert Monda was elected as a deputy governor of Kisii County as a node for ODM. We as Nyaribarians, we are asking for the county government to respect Monda and give him his dues as a deputy governor. Monda should be respected, and Nyaribarians should not be taken for granted. We should be respected.
Balimoko na komoita Biblia toko randialie kanisa nga omobisa bw'omuntu noyo bw'enyombere. Merisade kingwa achanga nota getego soe kanisa. Ntoko batise gogoito yo mino. Obwanchani igobore obwabanta bamo bamenyetamo egetabu ya Saburi 133 gyatebana kiere buyabanta bamo bamenyetana ki baywana inegendo ligyo bwanchani no mwana omino naendo omosike
nigo batebire buna Monda tarabeka teneni buna batiganire no mugavana engane yo egendrete kuranda asemetandao asebaganirie abantu bonsi koba abatoereru chingaki ayonsi agendrete
igo nchemuna senior council naende muna consultant y'abanyaribari egente kenga Monda ngo tivectile igo totagete komanyesa ativecti officially amangana machieso I want intagete gote bisimba lad atigo muchieso ria gokorera umunyaribari atige ng'anyo orotagete go survive tigatige gote dio umunyaribari omasaba no umunyaribari chache Monda no uyo bw'abanyaribari chikura chia Monda na chichiagerete simbarati akaira ekerugo igogo ikato sike ntori go chigokora machieso nere tigato sike muna abanyaribari ande muna abantu amwete chikura taintwe monto ito muna Monda deputy governor oine aroito tobwata ase county.
We as Nyaribari, we are solidly behind Honorable His Excellency Dr. Robert Onsare Monda.
Waigo nigo batebire okungusana noko nigo gokoirania amagendero magega ase basabire okubwatirana eliogosukia amagendero imeye county ya Kisii.
Lastly, economically, we are having a lot of challenges. We are having poor roads. We are having no schools. So we are urging the county government to go forward and do all these things for us. Unless the county government is not going to be very careful on this, we as Nyaribarians will take another option of maybe at least telling Monda to do what we want to do. Thank you.
Kulipotelea Ndizi TV, Mildred Momanyi.